What's up, guy? Hero Baby here. Welcome to this vlog, very special. And guys, today I thank God for the gift of life, man. It's all morning over here. So as you can see outside, look outside. So it's all morning, and I wanna take the breakfast. So just over here, I need to wash my hand. We have the soap here, the liquid soap, and also here. Wow. So I want to wash my hand. Oh, first I put the soap like that way, man. Wow. So then I want to take the serviette over here to warm my hands. So like this. Oh. Wow. Guys, welcome to today's news videos, and I'm coming live and from African Kenya. So I want to have the breakfast, and I think this thermos flask here. Hey. Oh, wagwan. Wow. And guys, if you meet these videos on the way, subscribe, watch the video until the end, guys. So today that's my hairstyle. You see, guys, that's my hairstyle today. Wow. Okay, so I want to take the plates. Okay, so this chapati and have other inside there. Wow. Oh. Wow, guys, so this is my delicious meal ever, and it's add energy, you know what I mean. Wow. Perfect chapati, man, and it tastes so sweet, man. Look. Wow. And over here have my tea, guys. Alright, guys, so we shall meet when I finish my breakfast, and we continue today's vlog. So just drop the sweet comment in case you make these videos. Tell me where you're watching from, and I'm very happy for you guys. So let's see. Oh, guys, so I finished taking breakfast, and I hope I want to take you outside to see today's how things they are. You know, things must change here in another way. You know, things might change. Yeah, look. Yeah. We have the pup here. Adrian. What's up? Well, guys, also I want to greet our grandma here. Yego.
Akambuliega.
Kana kenong.
Obosara.
Obosara.
Ubonong kunyu. Ndo horenda tari ndiba soko.
Indiba.
Indiba era yomutiko woro go gwitundi.
Kwani tigo gen?
Tiyo.
You know ngeteki.
Ne soko.
Guys, you have the local medicine here. You know ngeteki.
The non kongo tera ewawa ibino.
Okay. Boyor.
Mbuyan hoye. Pon we mbuya warayi. Na nkuru chora ibadi ganyira ita omwano ya kambuliga. Omanyiro oyo. Kabugena.
Oh guys, I'm greeting my grandma here. I'm greeting my grandma there. We have the sweet talk, and guys, I wanna say sorry for the I wanna say sorry for the vernacular language. Shona told me how did you wake up and all stuff. Do you know what I mean? And I'm asking her, you have the local medicine here. Wow. So when I see they got us this one here, I see my huge progress. So by tomorrow, guys, is to fix the tank. So today, because yesterday I was working there, so we left them to be concrete enough on the base. By tomorrow is to join the pipe and water, guys. You know what I mean? And water. Wow, guys. So let's take you around. Imagine if this water could run from there. It depends of the force of gravity that are coming there, or it depends with the pressure of the water that is running from on top, like this coming that way. Imagine that the pipe going long. Man, it's so crazy. On the way, it's come and meet here. And then from here, direct to the tank. Although they have not completed by putting some steel bar there. So they wanna left this place, the first floor, to be concrete. When I'm saying the first floor, I mean this one here. Let me show you how things they are here, guys. Woo! I wanna show you. You see? So this is the concrete here. This one here. So that being said, water will be run from the rooftop, from the iron sheet over there, coming on this. So maybe on the top we have the first tank, on the second, or on the middle we have the second tank. Wow. You see how the cow is grazing there. Down there, there's the cow. Wow. And I think even me in future, I wanna build a base tank like this, you know. So let's see, guys. So that being said, we wanna left this place to be concrete enough, and then create another base on rooftop here. So it's gonna be amazing one. Wow. So imagine I was climbing the ladder. This is the ladder going that way. Oh. Well, guys, I'm just going down. Oh. Woo. Wow, finally I'm down. So here we have the napier grass for the cow. You see, like this cow here. Maybe they were being given. You see, even down here, if it could be me, I could maybe build here like a store, maybe a house for the chicken down here. It's a wide place. You can see by yourself. Wow, guys, see over here we have the cow, but they have already finished food here, you know, fast food. They have already finished. You can see it's empty. That one is aggressive, so you must be very careful. Wow. And it's long time, man, so I want to give you a brief tour to Jamaican Uncle's land. Wow, this is the Stilba here, because of time, man. I was working at home, and even today managed to be here. Try to imagine. So we have the tank here, and imagine this 10,000 tank, this one. So if could me, I could go and purchase a tank like this, 5,000, but wide. Mine is taller. This is shorter but wide. Mine is taller and yes, taller, but this one here, it's wide and short. Wow, I have the steel bar over here. So guys, my baby is outside. You had the cook, it's all morning. I'm telling our grandma I'll come later. So let me see my baby outside, and we're good to go. So actually I'm heading down. So I left this compound and it's clean. Oh, let me see, maybe guys, there's some guavas here. Yep. Hey, it's coming big, man. Look. So this first season for the guavas, and that being said, wow, guys, look at this. Hey, it's big. It's big, guys. Look. And that being said, the leaves of the guavas, it acts as a tea leaves. You can peel it, dry it, and then you crush into powder form. And then these leaves, when you cook the tea or prepare the tea, you add the powder inside. So there's no need, maybe, guys, going and looking the tea leaves. Wow. And I wanna close the gates. Oh. Yeah, guys, so my baby is here. So I'm heading down, and guys, in case you made these videos, if you're first time coming across to my channel, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell, so in order you can get daily vlog from Hello Baby Official, and all the way positive vibe. You can see how our village are very, very amazing, beautiful sceneries, and people are working so hard, constructing everywhere. And for my entire village, everybody's building. You can see from the far end there, there's Mama Ann's building the perimeter wall, and that's a huge progress. And also, congrats Dad, also they wanna build the perimeter wall around the compound. It's a huge progress, huge transformation. And also me there at home, I'm just running on project like crazy. I finished the toilet, so I came back to the water tank. I want to install tomorrow. So today I give the enough time because I was saying earlier. So when I finish the tank, everything, and then I went back to my project, or I went back to my toilet. So I want to put some tiles one after the other, one room after the other. So when I finish up, I shall see what's next. But if you know what's next, just comment on the comment section, guys. So stay tuned. I want to take my baby, take me down, guys, down. I'm going that way, guys, with my baby. Well, guys, so come on again. So it's all morning over here, and we just run with time, man. You know, time is everything. So that being said earlier, so today, guys, I want to be pay a visit at the Jamaican Angle. Let's look the fish. Huh? All the way. So let's check time before you move on. You know, time is everything. Time is money. So, and I see the water is going down. So tomorrow is supposed to pump water. Serious. So because more water goes on that corner over there, and then go to other fish pond. And here it's okay. So by tomorrow it's to pump water, and I'll let Mr. Gake to know earlier. So we have the sitting bench here. Before that, before guys we move on, we need to go with time. It's 10:23. So that's my local African time here. But it's early morning, so you had the birds. It's moving from one tree to another. And these trees here, the birds loves a lot because they're eating fruit inside here. In these trees. Well, you heard? Wow. So today it's a special day, and I want to pay a visit to Jamaican Uncle's land, because since we offload the material for the fencing of their land, I went back home. I found some work, a lot of work to do. I solved this one happened, and I normally do, guys. Wow. So I want to check the hen. There's a hen which last month I take outside. I want to see how it's doing. Wow, it's doing good. See? So we kept our hen and chickens, small chicks, to avoid the eagle doing all stuff. Do you know what I mean? Today is a wonderful day. And guys, so let me check how the young one of the dove are doing, because you see you have the young one here, also here. When it's coming big, we take all this stuff outside. Wow. You have another one over here. It's doing good. Even look at this. This is a young one. Wow. Look at this. Guys, here we normally call the dove like that. It's coming out. So technically it's doing good. You know, when you have birds in our compound, man, the compound looks so beautiful. So beautiful, man. We have Mr. Pipe, we have Mr. Rabbit here. Look. Look. Mr. Rabbit. You see how the way they smile, guys. You have the small one inside here. You see? And it's growing. It has like less than 2 weeks. 3 weeks, I mean. Look. And the good thing about the rabbits, every month, because today's 20, it's because it's date 11. Every month date 11, it's gonna give birth. You will be becoming a millionaire with the rabbits, because if you have the market, maybe some place where you can sell your rabbit and all stuff, man, trust me, you wanna become a millionaire. Wow. You see how the compound is so clean? Look, everywhere. It's super green, clean, and all stuff. So I want to check the puppy, because we have the small puppy here. And guys, we have one puppy that are loitering. So they see me and running. Oh, the puppy is outside. Puppy. Hey, look, Mr. Puppy. It looks like Mbosi Mboka, guys. Look, we have another one. Wow. Come on. Well, so it's good to make exercise with the puppy. Come on. Wow. Yeah. Every time you wanna make the practice with the puppy, because it need exercise. Wow. I made this one. And they're growing fast. They're big, man. When it's coming big, you want to train them. Look, Mr. Puppy. Puppy, no. Puppy, no. Puppy, no. You're ready to go? Yes. I was putting that puppy.
Yes. Hey, how you doing? Hey, you know me? How are you? You want to smell? You want to smell? You like it? We missing one of the puppy though, you know. I don't know where one is.
One more been stolen.
Somebody stole it.
Yes, because when you're going outside,
yes.
people stolen that.
Take it up in the gate there for me.
Yes. Wow, guys. Whoa.
Hello, baby.
Yeah.
Turn off the camera.
Oh guys, so I'm just over with Jamaican with my phone for me.
Yeah, man.
We're heading to Border Town.
Yes, going to Border Town.
Yes. For the first time riding Jamaican.
Yeah, man, first time.
Yeah.
Finish, close it. Yeah. Not you, that's it. Yeah.
You can
Okay.
hold.
Yeah, it's hot.
Hold.
Yes, yeah?
Hold for me a camera.
Okay.
And then you speak with my people.
Yes, this is Hello Baby here.
Yes.
Yes, and we are going to Border Town now to exchange the nails because they're a little bit too long.
Yes.
So we need like the 2 inches one because what we have is 3 inches.
Yeah.
So we're going there now to get the change. Yeah, man. And you see, Hello Baby official is riding.
I'm riding.
Yes, riding. Yes. So I'm sitting right here behind. Yeah, man. Nails at the back there. Yes. Let's go as we're going here, man. Yes, let's go.
Hey, Grace.
Green and pretty. And look at the rocks up there. Yeah. So beautiful, man. Green and nice. This is Africa. Africa, man. Yeah. Yeah, Africa. Yes, yes. Look at the chickens, and the goats, and the sheep, and the goats right here. Yes, yes. Cows over there. See that? Yes. Minibus going up, bike going up. You know? Look at those rocks over there. Beautiful. Beautiful, man. It's like they were laying down there by someone. Yeah, look there. Wow, wow. Wow, wow. So beautiful, man. Wow. Beautiful and nice. And look, we're gonna pass this lady now with firewood on the head. Yes. To make the fire. Yes. Firewood. Yes, yes.
Real life is Africa.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yes. This is African life.
Yes.
Yeah, man. African life, man. Yeah. We love Africa. Yes. And as you see, we are going down. Big Ivy. We are going down. Yeah. So we have a Shell gas station 1 kilometer from here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's new one.
New one just opened. Yeah. And so you have a school over there.
St. Anne's.
Hispania Mission Health Center. Right there. Yes, St. Anne's. School is over there also. Oh, Roman Catholic Church. Okay, say Hispania School. Yeah, Roman Catholic. Okay, this one here. Okay. Okay. Yes, yes. You can see. Yeah, man. Beautiful, man. Africa, man. Beautiful Africa. Yeah. And if you can look over there, you can see the cassava trees. You remember we have that in Jamaica?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Cassava. We have that. Yes. Going. That's where we're going now. And look over here. That's where the tuk-tuk that they used to bring their little stuff wherever they want to go. Yeah. This is Africa. Africa is the land we love. Yes. Motorbike going up there. Shop going up. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Yeah, this is the new gas station I'm telling you about. The one who's just past the sign down there. Yes. Yeah. This is it, man. This is it. Yeah. Going through. Yeah, this is the new gas station I'm telling you. When I was here in May, it wasn't here.
Yeah.
Yeah, they didn't have it here. Since I left, and they built it. Yeah, nice gas station.
Nice.
Yeah, but it's not open as yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not open as yet. See, we have here. Yeah, the shops
Border Town.
in Border Town, And where we're going is not far from Tanzania.
Yeah.
We can just walk it over to the border.
From there you can walk it.
Yeah, it's just walking distance over to the border. Yes. Yeah. I did it a few times well too. Walk over to the border. Yeah, man. This is it, man. Yeah. This is it. Whoa. Yeah. As you can see. This is it. Real, man. Yeah. This is it. Yeah. Border town. Yeah. We are in Border town now. And this is Jamaica Uncle. And I'm filming for Hello Baby right now. So please go and subscribe to Hello Baby and show him some enough love. Enough love. Also to Jamaican Uncle channel. Go subscribe, share, like, and leave a comment and show me some love too, man. Leave some love. Yeah, man. Remember, so I come from Jamaica, you know, Jamaican love you guys, and you love Jamaican too, and I'm a Jamaican, so give me some support, man. I really appreciate that. Give me some support. Love that. Yes. The more is the merrier. Yeah. Okay. The more is the merrier. So let's go up there as we're going here. So we don't have it too far to go. We don't have too far to go right now. Yeah. As you can see. Going right here. Yes. So we're just going just a few more blocks up. Yeah, I think we're supposed to there anytime now. Anytime now we are there. Yes, we are there right now. Yeah, man. Okay. Okay. Yeah, man. Wagwan. Well, it's me, Hello Baby.
This one?
Yeah, that's the 2 inches.
Yes, it's 2 inches.
That's the one we want.
Oh guys, so we came to change the nails here. So we need 2 inches to Jamaican Uncle for the facing of the land.
Just like that.
Wow guys, and then we have the full bags of cement over there. Well guys, so we rolled this barbed wire here, and we want to try to fence it out. So that being said, it's time to fence, guys. No intruder entry. Yes, to avoid intruder. Oh, this barbed wire here. See. Yeah? Oh, tuweke huko.
What we're going to do? Let's Jamaica Uncle again. Let us watch the progress.
Oh. Tunaenda nayo juu? Au unafika hapo upie misu?
Hapa.
Aha.
Hiyo ngine iende juu.
Tunaenda?
Njoke na.
Hapo. Najishika. Oh.
Nenda tu.
We try to load the barbed wire. Guys, it's coming along the way.
Utajaribu kutembea mbele nikikuacha inakuja kwako.
I'm here with village uncle. Don't meander, man. It's roaring. It's crazy. That's my hand, guys. Wow. Look. Whoa. Whoa. Boom, guys. Hi. Yeah, man.
Okay.
And then you go. You make twice.
Okay. Oh, it go back. It fall back, uncle.
Yes.
Okay, break here.
Okay. I didn't do this one. Go down, uncle. Uncle, this one. Come back. I didn't do that one good. That's why.
Wow, guys. Hey, that's first step. Well, guys, so we just over here. The work is going on.
I'm going to try something.
Which one?
No.
Okay. Over here.
I have it in my bag here. That's why I don't leave my bag in New Zealand. I don't want nobody to go back there, open my bag, and take it out.
Well, guys, so the work is going on. Well, guys, so we just continued our work here. Today is to hammering the barbed wire. Wow. It's roaring like crazy, look. Oh. You are here with the village uncle. Wow, guys. So we're walking like this way. We're working so hard. Wow. Village uncle is a professional. Oh, guys, I'm tired. I'm telling you, look. Oh, what's next? Sungi konja ba au unaipitisha hapa.
Wewe ingia. Ingia juu tu.
Pole pole means slowly. What is that? Yeah, we struggle to pass here because we have some guava trees. Bado nishikana ngoja. Oh, guys.
Isikirie tu hivi kuja na. Kuja.
Eti hii.
Tuende tu.
Oh, guys, just a minute. We are struggling to pass here. Oh. Let's see, guys. We are struggling passing from other side.
Tuyoke hapa chini kidogo.
Suvuke. Wow, imagine passing here. It's so hectic. This is the guava and this is the trees. The post one. Nivute? Siko sawa. Hapo ikalia hapo. Wow. I'm telling you, man. Here we have the guava trees. You can see here the guavas. It's time to roar. And guys, show me some love. And so on these videos are very special. We just move on, guys. So that's my hairstyle. My hairstyle. Okay. Oh. Suvuki. Ungevuka. Babu vuka.
So.
Wow. Well, guys, so watch this video till the end. So we are heading this way over there. Wow. Say hello.
I want to take
Come, and then I will wait you. Wow. Well, guys, so it's time for lunch. People are supposed to eat, man. And let's see. It's lunchtime. You know, after working all the way, we come for lunch. Woo! Today's are super hot, guys. You can see the clouds, super hot. Hey, there's the dove. You see the sun? It's quite hot. Hey, Jaman. I'm going to have a wow, so it's serving point. Oh, let me sit here, guys. Oh, so it's lunchtime, guys. You can see it's super hot, and I wanna take lunch, man, and then we proceed for the next level, guys. This is your son, baby, official, guys. Show some love to your son. Hello, baby, official, and enough love. I learned one thing from Jamaican uncle. Enough love. Yeah, man. Hey, look there. So you can see it's so hot, guys. So hot. So hot. You see? It's so hot. Hey. It's coming like crazy, man. So stay tuned as I'm going to serve on this part here. Serving point, you know. During the day, we serve outside. Well, guys.
They
are going to bring spoon.
The spoon.
Okay.
Hey.
I want to take for Uncle one.
Okay.
And over here we have soup. Whoa. Hey, imagine, guys.
Okay. Okay, give me spoon. I'm going to serve Uncle today. I'm the one going to serve Uncle because Uncle is the big boss here today. All right? So this is Uncle food. This is village Uncle. And I'm going to deliver his food right now.
Wow, guys, it's serving food. Hey, Msuba. Unipono tachongere na maguha. Yeah, mimi ni koyote. Ndio nilikuwa nimeangalia. Oh. Kana menyo endo chetana maguha. Katuma put it for me soup, Dad. We have a good lady here who know how to serve. Two of them.
Yeah, man, this is Jamaica Uncle. Yes. And we're going to eat some food now. In fact, I'm going to hold my seat. No, let's wash my hand first. I didn't wash my hand. I'm going to eat with my hand today.
God bless my food. No problem. Bless my food. Yeah, man.
I'm going to eat like an African today. With my hand.
Yeah, with your hand?
Yes. Well, you guys eat like Jamaican.
Leta tumo, leta ni. Leta ni.
With my hand today. Like you shouldn't bring no spoon, come
No
on.
spoon.
I gotta eat with my hand today, man.
You are a village man right now.
Village boy, man.
Village boy man.
I don't like to take the high stool. I like to take the low stool.
Okay.
As low as I can go. I like to take that.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Thank you so much. Yeah, man. And this is food that we're gonna have. So let's go. I'm gonna take it right.
Akija tumika hichi.
Bless up. And
Tutatumika.
every time. Yeah, man. Okay.
Jah bless my food.
Yeah,
I
man.
want to take here. Well, guys, so it's lunchtime and we have the special food here. This is the meat, cow meat. We have rice. We have brown soup, man. And over here, I have my brother.
I'm just eating. Actually, this, some guys, they make an uncle just over here, so we need to prepare something amazing for him to eat, guys. So as you can just see, guys, today's menu is just rice with beef. And actually, guys, it's just super awesome. So if you're watching this, can you hit the subscription button and just tell us what do you think about this video? And also, guys, just rate my brother's hairstyle.
Show my
Yeah.
hairstyle. Look at my hairstyle.
Yeah. No, guys.
This is hello, babe. You know, when people are not keen,
Yeah.
they think that you are twins. Cinema patch.
We are twins.
You wait, guys. Guys, so welcome to our lunch, guys.
We enjoy.
Enjoying every day soft life. So we are going to see the progress for today
Yeah.
with Jamaican uncle here.
Yeah, man.
Since morning we'll be with you.
Yeah, man. All the way to the border town and come back.
Yes.
Oh, be careful. Stump.
I'm a village boy.
Village boy, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
So I want to see the progress for today.
Exactly.
Whoa.
Wow.
You see that view for Git River's house?
Yeah, man.
Hey,
Nice view.
nice view. Yes. I'm tired. Yes, I want to sleep a little bit
Yes.
and then
Get up and do something. I say I have to do it, you know. I always take my little day nap too. And it get me make more fitter. Because you know, to upload the video and thing, it take time.
yeah.
So when you get a little nap,
Yes.
you can focus better, you know. Yeah, so I like to do that too. Yeah.
Hey, whew. Oh, yes.
My cock slide with me.
It's sliding.
Yeah.
So when you want to come, maybe you go like,
Yes, I might go around here.
yes.
Yeah.
I see village uncle is doing good.
Yeah,
job.
man. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put up 5 already.
And imagine he's,
The last
he's
one now.
alone.
By himself, eh? Wow.
Wow, guys. So this is the land. You see the barbed wire. So no intruder passing here. And even not only intruder, no animals coming and dispose or destroy the plant which we're supposed to plant inside here. Here. We are with Jamaican uncle, guys. Much love, much greeting, much blessing. Also tomorrow. Big thanks, big American, guys. We have the nets here.
Yes, hopefully.
Yes, yes.
To meet him.
Yes, yes.
Wow guys, so I'm back home. So actually since morning I with Jamaican uncle, and today they were fenced the land and look like this guys. So this barbed wire, here's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, but for uncle it's around 6, and also the post. But the post for the Jamaican uncle were very very powerful and strong. It can't went bad. Like this one here, you split trees from here, or like this one you fence and finally it got spoiled. Look like this. Look. So this one it's bad. So technically guys, I'm back home. So you see how our cows are grazing over here. Look, they are grazing here. And this is the stuff from matoke, or the trees from banana. This one here. So human being, we eat banana, and the remaining stuff the cow also eat. You know, we have another one over here. So we have the beautiful cows in our home here. Look at this one here. So technically guys, and before I move that, I want to go this way. Check weather. Oh, no goat here guys. So I'm taking you around, going back home and see for another project, man. You know, I'm a love of the project, but guys, much love. Support the Lovable Future here guys, with one unity guys. So I'm back home. This is how things they are, this is how things they looks like. It's pure amazing, man. Look, this is the maize come that you see here, up that way, far away, man. And also the cow are grazing here, eating the stuff from matoke. Look, look here, they are eating this stuff. Imagine this stuff here, they are eating the cow. Wow. So this is my back home, and I'm back, man. I'm back. Oh, the kids are playing over there. Wow. Let's see, man. I'm so grateful to be back and see my project for yesterday. Ooh, that's my baby over there. I'm parking there. Oh, I knocked the gate like crazy. So tomorrow morning guys, because mama munimwagilia maji. Mama imekauka jamani. So it's concrete, man. So I need, when the tank were being fixed here, I will plastering outside here for the smoothness, and then put the cement. Oh man, crazy. So yesterday, since morning, man, I was working yesterday morning inside here with the mason. Went to Tanzania looking for the mason, and tomorrow morning this tank will be installed here. So we left like yesterday and today, like 2 days, to be concrete on the base. When I'm installing this tank, no worry about it, man. So the pipe is here, and we have everything. Oh man, look. And also tomorrow we'll fix the gutters here, like this one here, we'll fix here. So the T will be here, the water will be running here, meet on this pipe here, and this one meet on this pipe, and then direct go this way, ooh, to the tank. And let's see outside. Oh. So by God's grace, this week I will fix the tiles. I'm telling you guys, this week, when God say yes, nobody can say no. So this week I want to fix the tiles, both 4 rooms, by God's grace, man. So I feel like my family could use this toilet maybe by the end of November or December. Wow, you can see my grandmama is coming so big, man. Wow. Let's see, guys. If you know, you know, guys. Me, I'm telling you one-on-one. If you want to fix, let me say, by your support, if you want to fix maybe one washroom on the wall, floor, and this partition here, I want to say thank you so much. But I also thank you so much by watching my videos. You made an improvement in my life, man. So after finishing putting tiles inside, so right now I've already fixed the ceiling board. You had? That's ceiling board. So guys, I want maybe one day when you pay a visit at my home, we use a special washroom like this. No worry. And I'll put the place where you can fix your towel, your soap here, and also all stuff, man. And I think I will put the light inside. So daytime we close the door for the toilet. And guys, I think I could start with the toilet and one washroom. Let's see, man. You know this place, the pipe is leaking outside, but it's not bad. I'll solve on that. You see everywhere, and this is where water can go inside here. You know, at least I made a huge progress for my family. And that being said, guys, also I'll put tiles here. This wall that you see going that way, and also here on the top to prevent water or splashing of water. But outside I'll paint. But inside here, and let me say 100%, I'll work on tiling, both inside 4 rooms like this one, that one, up that way, and also I'll put some ceiling, some tiles here. What do you think about in your suggestion, guys? Oh, let's see. This is a modern toilet that I built in African Kenya, Nyabuhansi village to the world. But right now, people brought dramas in our village, but we don't care. We just follow the positive vibe. You know, our village right now is totally messed up, toxic everywhere. But if you trust people, you trust. If I'm your son and you trust me, you just trust me. But we don't care about our haters. We just follow the vibe, positive vibe all the way. And I know in this world you must have 2 teams, both winner and loser. In the other way, you have positive team, negative team. If you are flowing with positive vibe, I'm just over here. Just flow. Boom, bam. So this one here, this week, it depends. Maybe on Monday, I'll start putting tiles by God's grace. And I shall see for the next level. You know? Wow. So guys, I want to end my video here by saying, guys, thank you so much. May God bless you, and keep supporting me until the end. And also I'll support my family. Like, man, I got many supporters. I spend in project up to now. When it reach here, it's by God's grace. Right now, guys, enjoy my videos until the end. Give more like, subscribe. Lord to 6K subscriber, guys. I really appreciate, and we shall meet for the next videos, which is tomorrow, guys. Bye.